Hello friends, in today's After Effects tutorial, we're going to learn how to create natural random movement using the wiggle expression. The wiggle expression is one of the most useful expressions in After Effects. It allows you to add automatic random motion to any layer without creating multiple keyframes. If you want to add a wiggle effect to the position property, first select the layer you want to animate. Then press P on your keyboard to reveal the position property. Hold Alt, Windows, or Option, Mac, and click the stopwatch icon beside position. In the expression field, type WI and select Wiggle. Let's use values 2,50 in the parentheses. The first number, 2, represents the frequency. This means the layer will move randomly 2 times per second. The second number, 50, represents the amplitude. This determines how far the layer can move from its original position. Let's preview the animation. You can experiment with different values. For example, change values 5,200. This creates faster and more noticeable movement. The wiggle expression isn't limited to position. You can also use it on scale and rotation. Let's say I want to remove the expression from position. Simply hold Alt and click the position stopwatch again. The expression will be removed. Now, let's apply it to scale instead. Press S to reveal the scale property. Hold Alt and click the scale stopwatch. The expression field appears. Start typing WI, and After Effects will suggest the wiggle expression. Select it. In the parentheses, set the values 2,20. This means the scale will change randomly 2 times per second with an amplitude of 20. The object will scale up and down automatically on both the X and Y axis. Let's preview the animation. You can also combine wiggle expressions on multiple properties. For example, let's add it to rotation as well. Hold Shift and press R to reveal rotation as well. Hold Alt and click the rotation stopwatch. Start typing WI and select Wiggle. Set the values 10,180. Now the object rotates randomly while also scaling, creating a much more dynamic animation. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. Wiggle is commonly used for floating objects, camera shake, hovering elements, particles, icons, and many other motion graphics effects. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quick Fix Up for more After Effects tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.